Do you want to know how to get a Pawns bonus code so you can get a $3 joining bonus just for signing up? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've talked about Pawns app before, and many viewers have asked me to explain exactly how they can get this great joining bonus it offers. So therefore I decided to record this short video here where I will explain exactly how you can get it also. So let me just start by quickly saying what Pawns is, and it is a platform. It both has a website and app. You can join from basically all countries. You can earn passively by sharing your unused internet bandwidth, and you can earn by taking paid service. Also, it also has a few other small microtasks you can do inside the app. There are more earning opportunities inside the app, but you can use it on both computer and your phone. However, this is not a full tutorial or review, because here I will just focus on how you can get that joining bonus, find that referral code or bonus code. So if you want to know even more details about how to actually use and all that, I'll leave a link below to a full written tutorial I have on my website. But here we'll just focus on what you need to do to make sure you actually get those $3 joining bonus, because if you just go to the website, you will actually not be able to get it. So I'm now here on the Pawns website, and if you just go there and try to sign up, you will actually not get the chance to get that $3 joining bonus that can give a really great boost. So what you need to do is that you need to find this bonus code or an invitation code, referral code. It's called different things. So I have one of those because I am a member there, so I will leave my link below. If you click that, you will be taken to this page, and you can see that looks different. The design might change a little bit at times or so, but as you can see, there's something called claim $3 now, and that is because you join through my invitation link, and then you can actually claim this. Just be aware that the $3 will not go into your account right away. Right when you register, you will actually get $1 into your account. You only need $5 to actually be able to take your earnings out, so you will reach that very quickly because it pays quite well for the service there, and you can also earn passive in the background there. And also then when you then withdraw the first time, you will get a $1 bonus, and the second time you will also get a $1 joining bonus. So a total of $3, very easily, just to make sure that you actually join through this link here. So you just click there to claim it, and then you can see, then you need to just fill up your email address, your password. Don't worry about this, like the referral code and all that, because when you join through that link, it will automatically be registered that you join through an invitation link, so you don't have to worry about filling anything out. Just, either you can sign up here with one of your accounts there, or just click and create your own password there with your email address and sign up, and then you'll get that first $1 into your account right away. The second one when you redeem the first time, the third the second time you redeem. So super easy. That is how you make sure you actually get that joining bonus. So as you can see, it's very easy to make sure you get this great joining bonus on Pawns, but many people were a little bit confused because they just went to the website, they couldn't find the option and all that. So that's why I decided to record this video here where I'll explain exactly how to do it. So you just need to make sure you actually join through an invitation link. You can use my invitation link below. That will also support my channel, and I would of course appreciate that support there. So make sure to do that. And if you want to know more about Pawns and how to use and all that, I also do have a full written tutorial and review on my website. I will also link below there, so you can check that out if you want to know all those details. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.